Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for a magical tip. When you're doing your ritual or any magical set, put effort into it. What it look like if I'm half-ass lazying my intention that I'm trying to bring down? Remember, verbal communication is 90% body language. How do you think your subconscious mind is going to perceive the ritual and your intention if you're putting no effort behind it? Lack of effort and energy in your rituals will give you bullshit results. Pull those stickers off your candles. Make sure you have everything prepared hours before the ritual. Seek out the oils that will work best for your particular ritual. Take the time to meditate and get into that alpha state at least for 20 minutes before the ritual. Have enough energy to put passion and emotion into your words. Make sure it's long enough to where you feel it in your heart of hearts that it's tapped into that subconscious mind. When doing these rituals, your mind has to know and believe that it is real. Your heart is a true indicator of this. If you know in your heart of hearts you didn't give it all you got, then you're wasting your time. Remember, magical thought, deliberate thought, activated by the will. Break past the conscious mind by willing your intentions into existence. Dream wise.